Is your job is safe on a cruise ship? Well, if you are watching this video, then make sure cruise ship jobs are safe or not, whether it is the right job for you or not. Okay, because there are so many of rules and there are so many of regulations after coronavirus. Keep watching. Hey guys, this is Akshay Kumar and welcome back to the new fresh video guys. Yes guys, today in this video we are going to talk about, is your job is safe on the cruise ship? Well, if it is yes, why? If it is no, why? We are going to talk about each and everything, okay, and I will give you complete details regarding it. And after watching this video you will have no doubt regarding a cruise ship jobs, whether you should go for them or not. Okay, before I start guys, if you have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Keep watching the video, and if you like it, do like. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, hit the bell icon and do the all notification on, so whenever I will upload again more informative videos, you will get a notification automatically on your phone. Okay, let's get started. Well guys, before I talk about a cruise ships, first of all I would like to talk something which is an important point. Well, we do a job in any sector, doesn't matter, private sector, public sector, government sector, you go in work in every sector. Okay, your job actually depends on you. The very first thing is, okay, as long as you are working fine, means you are working your job with your responsibilities, you are punctual and your job performance is good. And the last, in the previous video I talked about the evaluation. What is evaluation, okay, on the cruise ship? If you haven't watched that video, on the I button that video link is given. Okay, please do watch that video. Okay, it will help you out regarding what is evaluation. Okay, so guys, what I was talking is your, first of all, your job responsibilities. You go in any sector, doesn't matter, in the government sector as well, if you are not working fine, your job performance is not good and your responsibilities you are not taking care of, there is no job which is safe. There is no job at all. Okay, all the things regarding the job goes hands on. Okay, because it is completely depend on you, how much dedicated you are, okay, how much work performance you are giving, what is your knowledge, how you take care of your responsibilities, well you are taking care of your work or not. Okay, these are the things, these are the key points which actually going to decide the job is going to be safe or not. Okay, and the same thing happens on the cruise ship. Well guys, you go in any ship, doesn't matter, any merchant navy, any cruise ship. Okay, you go on any ship, there are always a job on the basis of contracts. Yes, the very first contract, if you go on any ship, it would start from 4 months to till 12 months. So guys, we all know that on the ship the jobs are on the basis of contracts. Okay, well, what happens is you go on the ship, you complete your contract, and as I talked about it in the previous video as well, okay, whenever you go on ship, you take care of your responsibilities, you give a job performance, okay, and your performance was very good, your communication was very good. Okay, and at the end of the contract, you go on any ship, there is an evaluation. At the end of your contract, your HOD or your manager will invite you in their office and they will do your evaluation. Well, in the evaluation so many things are written on the basis of your objectives, your achievements, and your key knowledge and your work experience and your performance. All the things are written there, and the manager, they will tell you each and everything. Okay, they will tell you all the skills and all the things, the work which you have done, which was actually extraordinary, with the where they found, yeah, your performance was very good. Okay, everything is written, and on the other page it is written your weak points. Well guys, the manager always take those evaluations seriously. Okay, and whatever your weak points are, they tell you, they will tell you on what area, on which particular department, or maybe on which particular object, on maybe on which particular key you should work. Managers are always there to help you out. Okay, and the evaluation, at the end of evaluation, they will tell you what are your weaknesses, means whatever the things they saw which needs to be improved in your job. Okay, so you can take them and you can work on yourself and you can actually improve. Okay, but as long as you are working fine and your job performance is good, your evaluation will end up with the maybe recommended for a promotion for the next time and keep continuing a contract. Okay, and the third thing, there is one more column where it is written, do not recommend it for a next contract. Okay, so guys, this is what I am telling you, each and everything is going to depend on you. Okay, if you are working hard, if you are doing your job very well, if you are taking care of your responsibilities, if you are responsible socially, means there are so many things like trust me guys, on ship there are very strict rules. If you do any drama over there, okay, if you had any, you are drunk or anything, doesn't matter, anything, you do any drama, you are fighting with the staff, anything, it is going to impact on your evaluation guys, and most of the cases it leads to an immediate termination. Trust me, immediately fired. So guys, that's what I'm telling you. Always go on the ship. You go there, it is a very good environment where you can improve your knowledge, where you can enhance your skills, guys, and it really takes you to the next level because you are working in the international waters and you are working with the international staff, international guests. You come to know so much of knowledge, you actually gain so much of knowledge. So always take it seriously, guys, over there, and do focus on your job. Okay, please do focus on your job. Please do focus on your job. Always be dedicated, always gaining a knowledge, always gaining a knowledge. That's what the key point is, guys. And as long as you are taking care of your job, you are doing a good job and your job performance is good, your job is safe on the cruise ship. But if you go vice versa, if you go opposite of it, your job performance is not good and you are not behaving well, your communication skills are need to be improved, well guys, it can leads up to your job can be in danger. That's what I wanted to say, guys, because I have been receiving so many of comments regarding it and I told you what are my points. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, hit the bell icon, do the all notification on, so whenever I will upload a new video, you get a notification automatically on your mobile. Okay, if you like this video, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button down below. It really motivates me to keep making such videos for you guys. If you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram ID link is given down in the description below. Please tell me your questions in the comment section. I'll be waiting for you and I will reply you. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.